Hi guys,
Minute
right
na siya,
now
halika
it's
na, baba na tayo.
almost 12 o'clock dito sa LA. And I want to say thank you, first of all, for making this a really special day for Kim. Maraming salamat sa efforts na ginawa ng lahat to make it a great party. And I'm really sorry na I'm not able to make it there. Kasi nandito pa kami sa LA, na-delayed ang flight, lahat-lahat. So, I'm gonna say have fun and enjoy kayong lahat. And yeah, Kim, sana nakuha mo lahat ng gusto mo ngayong birthday mo. Sana masaya ka. Sana nakuha mo lahat ng happiness, lahat ng joy, lahat ng everything you want. Yeah. Enjoy guys sa party nyo. And wishing all of you guys the best. And see you guys when I get back sa Manila. Kim, hope to see you soon.
Okay na guys, halika na, baba na tayo.
Ay, speechless ako.
Mainit
Speechless
kasi.
talaga ako. Sige na, ayan. Thank you so
Nakanta na
much.
kayo, di ba ate?
Ate, kanta na kayo.